This power bank can charge your phone 11 times, and I'm not even capping. I bought this power bank a few weeks ago, and in this video I'm going to share with you my honest review and what I've seen using this power bank and why you should buy or you should not buy it. Work with me. So this Oraimo PowerJet 501 comes with an 85 watts ultra charging fast charge. This means it can actually take in and give out more power, unlike the 22.5 watts charger new age variants come with, and also the old version of the 50,000 mAh that comes with 22.5 watts charging. This one is coming with a whooping 85 watts fast charging. So in the power bank, you can see the two ports. These are the two USB ports and two Type-C ports, so you can charge your devices simultaneously. It has one of the Type-C ports is used for charging the power bank, and you can also use it to charge your devices and also charge your laptops. So you can charge your laptop from this Type-C port, because this Type-C port alone is giving out 70 watts of energy. So you can charge your laptops, any laptop that accepts Type-C charger, you can use this power bank for it. So let's look at the display. So as you can see, this is the display. This is at 100% now. So if you plug it in, okay, let's do that real quick. So I want to plug in this here and this here. Sorry. So it's charging. So here, this is a LED display. So here it shows you how many watts your phone is consuming. So here this 17 watts or 18 watts. It means that it's charging my phone right now with 17 or 18 watts. Then here you can see out. I don't know if you can see this. So here you can see out. It means that you are charging a device. So if you plug it in, if you plug the power bank to electricity, you see in, which signifies that you are charging it via electricity. But if you're using to charge your phone, you see out. Then this green icon here, signifies that fast charging has been enabled, because this Oraimo power bank comes with a fast charging, which is the exclusive Oraimo's charging technology that makes your phone charge faster. So from my test so far, this power bank is, as you can see, is fitting my hand. Is very portable. This power bank is very portable, though it's a little bit heavy. And you can actually carry it like this. This is actually very strong, unlike those rubber threads you see on most power banks. This is very strong, so you can actually carry it without fear it will cut or something like that. So I've used this power bank to charge my Android. Power bank can charge this Android phone 10 times. This is a Redmi 10 2022, 5000 mAh battery, and this is a power bank, 50,000 mAh power bank. So this power bank can charge my phone 10 times. I've tested it and it's working. So the iPhone is what I'm using for filming now, so I can't actually show you. My iPhone 12 Pro Max, it charges it 11 times. Then with a laptop, it can power a laptop for 2 times. You can charge your laptop 2 times or 3 times depending on how much power the laptop consumes. When it's fully charged to 100%, you can use it to charge your laptop 2 times or 3 times depending. If you're using a MacBook, then it might go to 3 charges. If you're using a HP or a Windows laptop, 2 charges at most. And also I can also use this power bank to power my MTN router. So let's try that out real quick. So for the router, it doesn't come with the cable. You actually have to buy your own Type-C to router cable from the market. Don't mind me, I'm using sellotape. My cable got damaged a bit. So just plug it in and you can see the router is on. So let's just wait for it to boot. So as you can see, my router, my Wi-Fi is on, and as you can see, I'm only using a Type-C to router cord cable to power this. There's no SIM card in the router now, so that's why you're getting this red signal, but it's fully on and active right now. So this can power this router for like 5 to 10 hours depending on usage. So if I leave it on like this, it's going to last for like 10 hours, like this, 10 hours when this is fully charged. Then for this router power bank here, it can charge this router power bank up to 3 to 4 times. Then for other small things like your AirPod, my my wireless mouse, and every other thing. I use this power bank to charge them, and you can plug more than one thing at once. That's the beauty. I actually like this power bank because it's portable, it's modern, it has a good design, and I can actually carry it anywhere I want to go. So if you find this review helpful, or if there is something else you want me to test out in the course of this review, let me know in the comment section and I will actually attend to all your questions. Well, that's all for today. See you on the next one. Bye.